Hey y'all, come on in. I'm going to teach you a few different ways of how to prep green beans. Classic, as in when I grew up in the South, my grandma gave me these. I sat on the front porch, I broke off the end, broke off the next end, broke them in half, put them in my bowl. I prefer one of these two options. So I line up my ends on the cutting board, trim them up with a knife. If I'm wanting the full bean, that's fine. If not, I can go like this, and I have perfect sized green beans for that meal. My other favorite way of trimming up green beans is to use scissors. So I just keep the scissors in my hand the whole time, and I can use this to even cut into pieces, or I can just continue to grab more and only do the ends. These are super fresh, so they're good to go. Now, I also have my chicken bowl here, so all my little scraps are going to the chickens.